How to plan the perfect hybrid RV camping trip. A step-by-step guide. Camping is a great way to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with nature. And with the rise of hybrid RVs, you can now enjoy the comforts of home while still being able to experience the great outdoors. Planning a hybrid RV camping trip may seem daunting, but with this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to plan the perfect trip that combines adventure and relaxation. Planning a hybrid RV camping trip requires careful consideration and organization to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Whether you're a seasoned camper or embarking on your first adventure, a well-thought-out plan will help you make the most of your trip. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of planning the perfect hybrid RV camping trip. Step 1. Choose your destination. Start by selecting the destination for your RV camping trip. Consider factors such as proximity, weather, and the interests of your travel companions. Do you prefer a beach getaway, a mountain retreat, or a national park adventure? Research potential destinations and narrow down your options based on your preferences. Step 2. Determine the duration of your trip. Decide how long you want to be on the road and allocate time for travel, exploration, and relaxation. Consider the distance to your destination and factor in stops and breaks along the way. It's important to strike a balance between a packed itinerary and allowing for downtime to unwind and enjoy the camping experience. Step 3. Check RV campground availability. Once you have your destination in mind, research RV campgrounds in the area. Check their availability and make reservations well in advance, especially during peak seasons. Consider campground amenities, such as hookups, restroom facilities, and recreational activities, to ensure they meet your needs and preferences. Step 4. Plan your route. Plot your route to the destination and determine the best driving itinerary. Consider factors such as road conditions, scenic routes, and points of interest along the way. Utilize GPS systems or navigation apps designed for RV travel to avoid low bridges, narrow roads, or other restrictions that may not be suitable for your hybrid RV. Step 5. Create a packing checklist. Compile a comprehensive packing checklist to ensure you have everything you need for your trip. Categorize your list into essentials such as food, water, clothing, and camping gear. Don't forget to include specific items for your hybrid RV, such as leveling blocks, hoses, and electrical adapters. Consult campground regulations or specific destination requirements to make sure you're prepared. Step 6. Plan your activities. Research and plan activities that align with your interests and the destination. Whether it's hiking, fishing, kayaking, or simply relaxing by the campfire, having a rough itinerary of activities will help you make the most of your time. Consider the preferences and abilities of your travel companions, especially if you're traveling with children or elderly family members. Step 7. Prepare meals and snacks. Plan your meals and snacks for the duration of your trip. Consider the cooking facilities available in your hybrid RV and plan meals that are easy to prepare and enjoyable for everyone. Don't forget to bring along non-perishable snacks for the road and stock up on essential ingredients before you reach your destination. Step 8. Perform RV maintenance and safety checks before hitting the road. Conduct a thorough maintenance check on your hybrid RV. Ensure that the tires are properly inflated, check fluid levels, inspect the brakes, and test all electrical and plumbing systems. Make sure you have a well-stocked first aid kit, fire extinguisher, and any necessary safety equipment. Step 9. Pack mindfully and efficiently. When loading your hybrid RV, distribute weight evenly to maintain stability on the road. Store frequently used items in easily accessible compartments and secure everything to prevent shifting during travel. Don't overload your RV and be mindful of weight restrictions to ensure safe and comfortable driving conditions. Step 10. Departure day. On the day of departure, perform a final check of your RV and ensure all necessary items are packed. Double-check campground reservations and confirm any specific check-in procedures. Set out early to allow for any unforeseen delays and to arrive at the campground with ample daylight to set up camp. By following these steps and planning in advance, you can ensure a seamless and enjoyable hybrid RV camping trip. Remember to stay flexible and open to new experiences, as spontaneity often leads to some of the most memorable adventures. Happy camping! Camping is our happy place.